We got snow, we got vendors, we got everything going on. Kids are loving it. Kids are loving the snow. Come on out for the Seed Foundation. I'm one of the volunteers here, so come see me. Come see Miss Judy. And don't forget, come in 2021 if you didn't get a chance to come here today. We're enjoying it, we're loving it. Snow Bash, come on out.
Estamos aquí en el evento de Snow Bash 2020, así que vamos a ver qué es lo que hay hoy día. Es totalmente diferente. Espero que les guste lo que vamos a estar mostrando esta vez aquí en el Snow Bash 2020, así que let's go, guys.
Your admission includes unlimited rides down all of the slides today. So, if you're done with the bounce house, you're done eating, you've gotten to visit all of our vendors today and sponsors and give them a shout out to thank them for helping put on this event today, come on back over to the snow experience area. You can play in our snow area, make some snowballs, or go ahead and slide down those slides. We've got 3 options for you. We've got one for the smaller kids, or those who might not be quite as daring. And then we've got 2 larger slides for just about everybody who wants a little bit of an adrenaline rush. Those of you who want to learn a little bit more about the Seed Foundation, they are a 501c3 nonprofit organization serving the working class families here in Hernando County who fall on hard times. And that can be due to tragedy, loss, trauma, you name it. Typically families who would not otherwise qualify for public assistance because their income may be too high. So if you know somebody that is a resident here in Hernando County that is working class and needs some help getting through a tough time, we know we've got tons of people in the community here through 2020 who could really use it. Go on by the Seed Row, tables and tents over near the bounce house and ask for more information about the foundation and what they do.
Hi everyone, come out to Snow Bash and come see us. I'm Sarah Shinta with Mary Kay. I want to share with you about an awesome fundraiser that we're doing called Adopt a Grandparent, where you can sponsor a resident in an assisted living facility, and we are personally delivering gifts, and it's just a way to bless other people that aren't really getting visitors during the holidays to make sure that they are not forgotten. And if you'd like to donate, please contact me, 352-573-7697. Thank you. Happy holidays.